about question number 1. The surface area of square is 25 square centimeters. In the list of diagonal, it will be what? We have square and we want to find the length of diagonal here. He gives us the area equal 25 and the length will be 5 centimeter because the area of square equals side by side. 5 times 5 equal 25. Then we have here 5 centimeter. In this triangle, right angle triangle, we can find the length of diagonal by square root of 5 power 2 plus 5 power 2. From Pythagoras, d power 2 equal 5 power 2 plus 5 power 2. 5 power 2, it will be 25. 25 plus 25, it will be 50. Square root of 50, it will be 5 root 2. The result will be 5 root 2 centimeter. Next question, number 2. ABC is triangle. 2. ABC is triangle and EC power 2 greater than EP power 2 plus BC power 2. Then angle P will be obtuse because EC opposite of EP and EC power 2 greater than EP power 2 plus BC power 2. Then the measure of angle C here less than 90 degrees. It's acute angle. Okay, then you must choose letter A. Question number 2. The opposite figure represents semicircle. We have semicircle here and he give us radius was 2 centimeters. This part equal centimeter again. He want to find the perimeter of the figure. Then the perimeter equal this length plus this length. The arc here, length of the arc plus line segment here. We have 2 centimeter plus 2 centimeter. Then this side length will be 4 centimeter plus this arc. This arc reverse to have multiplication by the perimeter of circle. Okay, this arc such that from A to B, its perimeter of half of circle. We can write half multiplication by area of all the circle. Area of circle it will be y r power 2. Then the perimeter will be equal 4 plus half product by r power 2. We know by, we can write by here, okay. And r power 2 radius was 2 centimeters. Then 2 to the power 2, it will be 4. 4 divided by 2 equal 2. Then the perimeter equal 4 plus 2 pi. It's the perimeter, okay. 4 plus 2 pi. Choose letter C about question number 3. Next example. Number 4. If cosine x over 2 equal root 3 over 2. Okay, you want to find 10 x subtract by 15. Okay, first step, we can draw right angle triangle here. We have 30 and 60 and 1 and 2 and root 3. And cosine what equal root 3 over 2? Cosine 30. We know cosine 30 equal root 3 over 2. Okay, then 30 will be equal x over 2. 30 will be equal x over 2. Then the value of x, it will be 2 times 30, it will be 60 degrees. Okay, you want to find what? 10 angle x subtract by 15. We found here x over 2 equal what? Cosine 30 equal root 3 over 2. And then we put x equal 60. Then we can find 10 60 subtract by 15. It will be 10 what? 60 minus 15, it will be 45. 10 45, it will be 1. The result will be letter C about this example. Choose letter C. Next question number 5. The equation is straight line x over 2 subtract by y over 3 equals 6. We want to find intercept for x-axis about what? About two parts, okay? And the intercept from y-axis 3 parts. If we draw this straight line, the slope will be positive. It's meaning it will be increasing. 2 parts from x-axis and 3 parts from y-axis here from negative part. This is a straight line. Okay, since the result will be 2, but we have 6. Okay, then you must find the image about this straight line here. X over 2 subtract y over 3 equals 6. We must convert 6 here by divided by 6 all terms. It will be x over 12 subtract y over 3 times 6 equal 18 equal 1. Then this straight line cut from x-axis 12 parts and from y-axis 18 parts. Okay, then the result will be 12. Choose letter P about question number 5. Choose letter P, 12. Question number 6. If negative 2 over 3 and 6 over k are the slopes of two perpendicular straight lines, then k equal, they are perpendicular. It's meaning slope 1 times slope 2 equal negative 1. Negative 2 over 3 times 6 over k, it will be negative 1. Then negative 2 times 6, it will be negative 12. 3 times k equal 3k equal negative 1. Then negative 12 equal negative 3k. Then we can divide it by negative 3, then k will be equal 4. K equal 4. Choose letter E about question number 6. Next example, question number 2. Determine the type of triangle. We have point A 3 and 0 and point B 1 and 4. Give us C negative 1 and 2 with respect to the lengths of each side. Okay, I'm going to find the lengths of AB and BC and AC by using the rule. We know AB equals square root of x2 minus x1 power 2, 3 minus 1 power 2, it will be 4, and 4 minus 0, it will be 4 power 2 equals 16. The result will be square root of 20, it will be 2 root 5. It's EP. And what about BC? P and C, square root of 1 subtracted by negative 1, it will be 2, 2 power 2 equal 4, and 4 minus 2, 2, 2 power 2, 4. Square root of 8, it will be 2 root 2 length unit. Okay, and C and A, negative 1 minus 3, it will be negative 4 power 2, it will be 16, and 2 minus 0, 2 power 2, 4, root 20, it will be 2 root 5 length unit. Then we can prove that AP equal CA, then this triangle is isosceles. Then triangle is isosceles. Okay, isosceles triangle. It will be isosceles triangle. Okay, this triangle will be isosceles. And you want to find what? You want to find the type only. Okay, stop solving. Okay, because you want to find the type of triangle, then it will be isosceles triangle. Okay, next example, letter P. Prove that left hand side equal right hand side without using calculator. We have right angle triangle, and this angle was 30 and here 60, 1 and 2 and root 3, and we have 45 and 45, 1 and 1 and root 2. Then we can write 10 45 plus 10 30 over 1 subtract 10 45 product 10 30. Then 45 here, we have 45, it will be 1 over 1, it will be 1. 1030, opposite over adjacent, 1 over root 3. And 1 subtract 1045. 1045, it will be 1. 1030, it will be 1 over root 3. Then the result will be 1 plus 1 over root 3 divided by 1 subtract 1 over root 3. And then you can find the result here by convert from division to multiplication. Okay, 1 plus 1 over root 3 over 1 subtract 1 over 3. We can convert 1 over 3 root 3 by product root 3 numerator and numerator. The result will be root 3 over 3. Okay, then we have 1 plus root 3 over 3 multiplication by, you can write the inverse about this. Okay, this number 1 subtract 1 over root 3, we can cancel it and write 1 over 1 subtract root 3 over 3. And then you can find the result in the simplest form about this example. 1 plus root 3 over root 3 over 1 subtract root 3 over root 3. Okay, we convert root 3 over 3. Then you can simplify find the result by product the conjugate to the numerator will be positive, and here will be positive. Root 3 over 3, it will be 1 subtract 3 over 9, 1 by 1 and second by second, and then write negative here. And numerator 1 times 1 equal 1, negative 1 times root 3 over root 3, and negative root 3 over 3, and the negative this fraction times fraction, it will be 3 over 9. And then you can complete the result here without using calculator. It will be third. 1 subtract third, it will be 2 over 3. And here 1 plus root 3 over 3 subtract by root 3 over 3. We can write 1 times 1 and 1 times this number. Okay, we have the similar here. You can cancel them and write the number in the numerator and convert the numerator. Okay, write 1 subtract 3 over 9, it will be third. And here 1 times 1, it will be 1. 1 times root 3 over 3 plus root 3 over 3 plus third. 1 subtract by third, it will be 2 over 3. And 1 plus third, it will be 4 over 3. And 2 root 3 over 3. And you can cancel 2 over 3 by product 2 over 3 numerator and numerator. Cancel this. Write the inverse about this fraction. It will be 3 over 2, and here 3 over 2 cancel. And 3 over 2 product by this expression. 4 divided by 2 equal 2. The result will be 2. 3 divided by 3, 1. And 2 divided by 2, 1. 3 times 3, 1. The result will be 2 plus root 3 in the simplest form. Then the left hand side, it will be equal right hand side. Okay. Understood? You must know the steps about this example. Without using calculator, you can find left hand side exactly right hand side by using the conjugate and opposite and the hypotenuse. Question letter A. Number 3, letter A, we have A, B, C, D. Prove that A, B, C, D is a square. We can prove that by using any method as you like. We can find the length of AB and BC and CD and 2 diagonals, and prove that all sides equal length and 2 diagonals are perpendicular. Or you can using the slope about AB and opposite side, it will be equality, and properties about a square. Each opposite sides are equal lengths and perpendicular to adjacent side. And we can write 2 diagonals equal lengths and perpendicular. Okay, we have ABCD. Prove that ABCD is the vertex of square. Okay, A, B, C, and D. A 2 and negative 4, and B negative 3 and 0. C negative 7 and 5, negative 2 and 9. Okay, first step, we can find the slope of AB. M reverse to the slope. Okay, M of AB equal A and B, y2 minus y1 over x2 minus x1, 0 minus 2, negative 3 minus 2, it will be negative 2 over negative 5. The result will be 2 over 5. Okay, and then you can find the slope of opposite of AB, DC. We have D and C, 5 minus 9, negative 7 minus 2, it will be positive 2. The result will be negative 4 over negative 5. Okay, AB, CD, we get the slope of DC, D and C, 5 minus 9, it will be negative 4, and negative 7 plus 2, it will be negative 5. We have the points again, 2 and 4, it was positive, not negative. Okay, okay, it was positive. Again, 0 minus 4, 0 minus 4 over negative 3 minus 2, it will be negative 4 over negative 5, it will be 4 over 5, 4 over 5 here. Okay, they are equality. Slope of AB equals slope of DC, then AB will be parallel to DC, and you can prove that the slope of CB product by slope by CB equal negative 1. We can find the slope of CB. This line segment CB, you can find the slope about CB. We can find right 5 minus 0 over negative 7 plus 3. The result will be 5 over negative 4. And then you can write slope of CB such that slope of CB here 5 over negative 4 product by slope of BA or AB equal what? Slope of AB was 4 over 5. Then we can write 5 of negative 4 times 4 over 5. The result will be negative 1. Then CB will be perpendicular to AB. It's relation number 1 and here relation number 2. From relation number 1 and 2, we called it what? Square. Is it A, B, C, D square. Okay. Or you can find the lengths of AB and BC and CD and DA, and there are equality. And you can find the lengths of two diagonals and prove that two diagonals are perpendicular and equal in length. Next question, letter P. ABCD is right angle triangle. At C, you want to find the value of cosine A product cosine B. Okay, I will draw this triangle. Right angle triangle at the point C. He gave us AC was 6 centimeter and BC 8 centimeters. Then we can find EB from Pythagoras. Square root of 6 power 2 plus 8 power 2. It will be square root of 100. It will be 10. Then the result will be 10 centimeter. Then we can write cosine A product by cosine B subtract by sine A dot sine B. Cosine A adjacent over hypotenuse 6 over 10. Cosine B adjacent over hypotenuse 8 over 10. Sine A opposite over hypotenuse 8 over 10, and sine B equals 6 over 10. 6 times 8 equals 48 over 100 subtracted by the difference between them. It will be, but we have the result will be 0. Okay, the result here will be 0. Okay, example letter B. Okay, repeating with me the steps. Okay, it's true. Okay, understood. We solved letter A and then letter B. Question number 4. Prove that the straight line which passes through 2 points -3 and 2 and 4 and -5, 4 and 5 were to straight line with the positive direction x-axis angle 45. Okay, we have straight line in the graphical passing through 2 points. The first was 4 and 5, and the second 4 and 5, and second point -3 and -2, -3 and -2 here, such as this. We want to prove that this straight line parallel another make angle 45 degree. We can find the slope 1 and slope 2. Slope 1 equal, we can find the rule y2 minus y1 over x2 minus x1. About 2 points, we have -3 and 2, and another point 4 and 5. 5 minus 2 over 4 minus -3, it will be 4 plus 3. 5 minus 2 equals 3, and the result will be 3 over 7. Okay, and then slope 2, it will be 10, 45, it will be 1. Okay, we have, sorry, it was -2. This point, we have -3 and -2 and 4 and 5. Again, 5 minus -2, it will be 7. 4 minus -3, it will be 7. 7 divided by 7 equal 1. Okay, then slope 1, so slope 2, then straight line L1 would be parallel straight line L2. Question letter B. If root 3 multiplication sine x 1030 equal 1045, product cosine 2x, you want to find the value of x. Okay, we can draw two triangles here, 30 and 60 and 1 and 2 and root 3, and we have another triangle 45 and 45, 1 and 1 and root 2. Okay, and then you can find root 3 product by sine x 10 30 here, it will be opposite over adjacent, 1 over 1045 1, and cosine 2x. Okay, you want to find the value of x. Root 3 sine x 1030 equal this. We can cancel root 30 by root 30. Then sine x will be equal cosine 2x. We know in any triangle, right angle triangle as the point, then sine angle equal cosine angle, then this angle x and 2x, we called it supplementary or complementary angles. Then the sum of them equal 90 degree. Then 3x, it will be 90, and then you can divide it by 3, then the value of x equals 30 degree. Okay. Next question. Number 5, letter A. Find the equation of straight line which is perpendicular to the straight line. We have straight line here, like this, 3x plus 3x negative 4y plus 7 equals 0. It's equation of straight line L1. Okay, we called it L1. And you would find the straight line about another perpendicular to this straight line and intercepts from the positive part from y-axis 4 lengths was perpendicular, and this part was 4 lengths. You can write this equation only 2, such that y equal m2x plus constant. Okay, we know the slope 1, it will be negative coefficient of x over coefficient of y, negative 3 over negative 4, it will be 3 over 4. And then such that L1 perpendicular to L2, then M2 it will be inverse about this sign here, negative, and inverse the fraction, it will be negative 4 over 3. Okay, then the equation here will be negative 4 over 3x plus constant. And they give us this straight line passing through the point 0 and 4 because it cuts 0 and 4 falling to a straight line. Then this point falling to this straight line. Put y or c equal 4, then y equal negative 4 over 3x plus 4. Question 5, letter E. Find the equation of straight line which is perpendicular to straight line 3x minus 4y plus 7z equals 0. Okay, I saw this example. Next question, letter B. ABCD is a rectangle in which AB equal 3 centimeter. We have rectangle here. ABCD, the rectangle, and AB was 3 centimeter and AC 5 centimeter, and you want to find the measure of angle ECB. ECB here, this angle, the opposite, and the hypotenuse here. Then we can write sine angle C equal 3 over 5, opposite over hypotenuse 3 over 5. We can find it by using calculator. Right shift sine 3 over 5. It will be 36 degree and 52. Measure of angle C, 36 degree, 52 seconds and 11 minutes. Okay, and then we can find the length of CB from Pythagoras about this triangle, such that measure of angle B was 90 degree. Then CP will be square root of 5 power 2 subtract 3 power 2, it will be 4 centimeter. And then you can find the area of rectangle, base here length times width, 4 times 3, it will be 12 square centimeter. It's the area about rectangle. Okay, we finished the question. Okay.